Hey everybody, my name is Albert Corey. Welcome to today's broadcast, the Taxman Small Business Tax Deduction Show, where every day we're going to come on and show you simple and easy ways to 20x your profits with simple counting and a marketing systems we're going to do every day. Well, today we got something very, very different coming in today. Did you know? See if we can set this up here. Share screen. Cool. Did you know that your iPhone? Let me get a new good iPhone. Okay. Did you know that your iPhone is a tax deduction? That's right. Your new iPhone 4. Let me get a good picture here. Here's one. Is it? Oh, okay. Here you go. Did you know your iPhone 4 is an awesome tax deduction? That's right. It's a tax deduction. This is one deduction most people don't know about it. If you stay to the end of our show today, we're going to show you how you can go out and get some awesome tax tips and systems we've used for almost 40 years, 25,000 business owners saving $60 million. So now on with the show. So, the new iPhone 14 came out. See, it becomes a tax deduction because, as you all know, at least you know with me, this is my iPhone, that it's almost like having a mini office. So your iPhone becomes a deduction because put a chat below if you ever checked your email, business email on your phone. Boom, that becomes a deduction. Guess what? Have you ever looked at email on your phone? Right? We all looked at our emails on our phone. That would make it a tax deduction. How many times you do Zooms? You know how many times I use Zooms on my phone? Guess what? Because I watch Zooms at my phone because I'm not at my desk or I can't get it to work, that makes your phone a tax deduction. So you see, it's like almost like having an office. This is how your phone could be a deduction. Now, how it becomes a deduction is it's almost like if you watch some of our other shows, if you're seeing this on replay, let me put the new banner here. If you go on replay, by the way, you can see everything Albert Corey at acorey.com. But if you want to see some of our other shows, just like and share our YouTube page. That's our YouTube page. Go to our YouTube page and subscribe, and you're going to see some awesome tips and tricks. So how do you make this a deduction? Well, now that you're using your cell phone, guess what? Your cell phone bill becomes a deduction. And how this is done, by the way, if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube channel, you could always put a comment below on what you think of our broadcast. So what starts to happen, what is the business percentage of your phone? I know in my world that my specific phone is probably about 70%. So 70% of my bill is now a deduction, which, when you got everything on your phone, that becomes huge. You're looking at $60 a month times 12 is $720. But here's another trick. Here's another thing people don't know is if you got multiple phones, I know on my bill, I have about 4 phones. My T-Mobile bill is $450. So out of that $450, you have to take what you pay on your bill. Okay, take what you pay on your bill, take that out, and then take the business percentage. Usually it's about 80%. Usually it's 80% of your bill, will become deducted, and that could be big. That could be big because cell phones are a big part of deductions. Now, obviously, if you're like me and you call your wife because we're in business together, now her bill is now added into mine. So next thing you know, I'm deducting $120 a month times 12. That's $1,200 a year off your tax bill. That could be huge. That's a huge savings. So now you're going to start to save money. So now here's a recap of tips that why it's deductible. Your cell phone is deductible as a recap tips because guess what? You can now obviously use it for your email, use it for YouTube. You're checking your stuff on Facebook. That's how it becomes a deduction. And if you stay to the end of the show here, we're going to show you some pretty cool deductions you can start to use. So if anybody has any questions or comments, you could always post it below. Okay, you could post it below and we'll answer them back right away. So now we're coming to the end of our daily broadcast. If you're watching this, if you could please share, like, or comment. If you have any, please put it in the comments below. You can also go on our social media channels. Here you go. Show. You can go to our social media channels, and guess what? In our social media, you can see everything Albert, our YouTube page, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We're on all medias. And if you go to, I'll tell you what, I got even a special gift for you. Get a special gift for you right now. As an extra special gift for showing up, if you go to bookacorey.com, we'll give you a 15-minute free consultation. That's how's that for pretty cool? So you're going to get a whole bunch of gifts just for showing up. Now, I promise you at the end, I'm going to give you some awesome tips valued at $299. So now, slide 2 is today's deduct was an iPhone tax deduction. So now, as a special gift, you can get a special gift. The value is $299. It's simple profit activators that they don't want you to know about. So what's in this package is we're going to give you our 50 top tax deductions you can use almost instantly. And we're going to give you a list of our simple profit activators. These activators, if you start to use them today, you're going to start 20xing your profit of your business. That's right. You're going to start to 20x your profit. So put a number 1 in below if you would like to increase your profits. So you just put a 1 in the chat below and we'll show you. Well, everybody, that's the end of our show. I always say sharing is caring. Find us at all channels. Oh, hold on. Let me put this one more in. See, let me go here. I'm gonna put this here. Well, we got it there anyway, so here you go. Somebody's there. Yeah, almost done. Well, somebody just walked into the office, everybody. So there, if you text Taxman to 26786, guess what? You'll get our free gifts. Like I always say, sharing is caring. And we will talk to everybody on the flip side. Bye. Talk to you tomorrow.